Ahoy there, Captain. I know exactly what it's like. You're starting a home business, or you've got a small business already up and running and you've got a need for creating graphics, whether that be for your Instagrams or for your Facebooks or your whatever you need, or you might need a digital download, or you want to make your own business card because you're cheap, and that's totally understandable, and you should be cheap when you're starting out. How do you do it? Hi there, I'm Karen Stace and I'm the founder of Get Nice, a do-it-yourself marketing company. So basically I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about getting started with Canva for Business. So if you go to the link below, you can sign up for Canva. So Canva does have a free option, and you do get some free features with the free option. But to be honest, if you're a small business, you're probably very quickly going to want to go to Pro. The cost is so cheap compared to other products such as Photoshop. Here in Australia, it's $17.99 a month. So depending on where you are in the world, it's probably going to be between $10 and $20. With the Pro account, it's really, really useful because you have everything that free has, plus you get a ream of free stock images, audio, video that you can use, which would probably spend more than that on stock images a month anyway. Lots of free templates, which really, if you aren't a designer, are crucial for getting your stuff looking good. You have this thing called Brand Kit, and basically what Brand Kit is, it gives you the ability to save your brand fonts and your brand colors. So any template or any design you have, you can simply click on it and it will change that file to your brand fonts and brand colors. Unlimited use of the background remover, so that's a feature where you might have an image and you want to get rid of the background. So if I wanted to cut out my background here, I can just click on the background remover and have my background removed. Resize design, so this is crucial as well if you're doing lots of social media posts. So if you're posting to Instagram but you also want the same image on Facebook, you can just simply click resize and it will resize it to the right size, and then you've got one Facebook image, you've got a LinkedIn image in the same image in the sizes that are needed for those formats. You can save your designs as templates, so essentially what that means is that you can send it to somebody else with a Canva account and they can edit it and it won't change your original file. You have 100 gigabytes of storage, which is heaps, but you're probably going to need it because you're going to want to store all of your stuff on Canva and reuse it again. And the new feature, which is incredible, I haven't used it myself yet, but you can schedule straight to social media. So that means that you can link your Instagram's accounts, and also Canva has an app version as well. So you can do this all on the fly. You could create a photo, you could put some text on it, and then schedule it to post it to your Instagram when you want to post it. So all in all, the Pro version is really worth having, and you do get a free trial for 30 days. Just click on the link below. So once you've got your account all sorted, you can either start by having a look through all the different pre-made templates that Canva has, and they have such an array of different templates that you can go through. If you didn't sign up for a Pro account, some of these templates may still cost you. For this example, what we're going to do is we're going to create a design from scratch. You do that in the top right corner here. As you can see, there's a bunch of predetermined sizes, so everything from a video size, a Facebook post size, you can do a custom size, but for this example let's just start with an Instagram post. Nice simple square. So this is the Canva interface that you'll be working to create your designs in. So over here on the left hand side, so you have a left hand panel here which expands when you click on one of these things, or you can close it by clicking this little arrow here to close it. Now I'll take you through everything we've got here. The side panel here does change depending on what you've used recently, but I'll take you through it so you can have a look. So you can just start off with a blank canvas and go through all of the templates that are available. As you can see, when you roll over them, it will tell you whether it's a pro template or a free template. So if you're just on a free account, the pro templates will cost to use. So you can have a look through all the different templates. And if you wish to apply a template, you simply click on it. And it will appear on your page. And from there you can change the text and change the images. Now the next thing down is just called elements. Now elements is kind of like everything. So it's got lines, shapes, graphics. So these are pre-made illustrations or animations, photos, videos, audio, charts. Now the graphs and stuff in Canva are fantastic. Frames, so these are the different shapes that you can put images into. So lots of different things there in elements. So what you can do is you can say you want a particular shape, you can click on them there, and there's your arrows, your shapes, your hearts, and there's simply drag and drop, and you can go through here, go through photos and graphs and audios from there as well. The next thing down on the left hand side is your upload. So these are all the images and stuff that you've uploaded to Canva. And to upload, just click on this big purple button there and just say you want to upload from your device. So next one down on the left is photos. So this is all your stock images, and the same as in elements, you can roll over and see if they're free or if they're pro photos, and you can search for whatever you want. So, you know, I want a photo of a panda. And there are some photos of a panda. Next one down is text. So as I mentioned before, if you have a pro account, you can save the fonts that are part of your brand. So you can have these as your brand heading, your brand subheading, and your brand copy. But it also has a bunch of sort of styled fonts here that you can just drag and drop across. Next down is the styles palette, which I've already mentioned. So you can have all your styles, or if you don't have a pro account, it actually gives you a bunch of different styles with fonts. So you can go, oh, I quite like this look and feel, click on this, and it's going to change everything to that look and feel, so to those fonts and to those colors. Logos is also part of your brand thing, so you'll have your particular logos that you use all the time. I'm gonna get a nice logo, and there's some really cool features as well, which under this more section, which I can briefly show you, is like QR codes. How useful is that? So you could set up your web address, type in what your web address is, getnice.co, and it's going to generate a code so people can just scan that QR code and go straight to your website. Bang, done. That's all included in Canva Pro. Things like Instagram, pulling in all your photos from Instagram so you can reuse them again in Canva, and also Google Maps. So say for example you want to add a map, you just type in where you want to add. I want to add in Hackney, London, because we all love Hackney, London, and you can simply drag that across to your canvas. So that is a quick tour of the interface. Couple of other things that you want to know: you can save in a file name up here, so top right, we'll call this, get nice example, and that's going to save your file. It saves regularly, so you don't need to keep saving. So here, up here on this corner, it's telling you all changes are saved, so it's constantly saving. So that's really great, so you don't need to worry about saving. It's just automatically saving as long as you're connected to the internet. A couple of other basics: if you want to add another page, you can do that either on this corner here or underneath here, or you can use this one here, which will duplicate that page. You'll get two of the same. It's taking a wee while to load that one. You'll get two of the same there, or add a new page. Click add a new page. So as you notice, this page has got a bit of a color. Click on that there, and then you can change the background color of the page. So select the whole page and then choose your colors there. There you go. It's that simple. If you didn't get it, just rewind it. In all seriousness, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to follow me on Instagram, please do, because I share lots of great tips like this throughout the week to keep you up to speed and getting some pretty cool marketing going on for your business. And if you want more videos like this, lots of tutorials that will DIY your marketing for your business, subscribe, this little button here. Cool, I'll see you again soon.